Welcome or welcome back. Today in this video we're going to answer this question. What in the world is the y-intercept? Let's go ahead and use the context, the table, the graph, and the equation to answer that question. Let's go ahead and look at the context first. A rental car company has the following package: a fixed $40 cleaning fee plus a rental cost of $20 per day. Okay, let's go ahead and annotate this. First of all, I know my per tells me my unit rate or my slope. So I know that's what's changing. Ooh, I know something that's fixed, and I know my fee tells me that's what I'm starting with. In my context, my $40 is what I'm going to be charged no matter what. No matter how many days, I'm going to be charged $40 plus that per day fee. So this is where we start with our $40. So that is the y-intercept in the context. That's my b. Now, talking about b, you might be like, what? Wait, what are you talking about, b? That's the variable that we use in the equation to show the y-intercept. So I know my m is my slope, and my b then is my y-intercept. Okay, so whatever goes in the b spot automatically when I look at my equation, that's my y-intercept. So let's go ahead and make my equation. Y equals, got to put the slope in for m. Oh, I already told myself the slope, 20. Need to add that x because that's going to help me with the table. And then my b is my y-intercept, or my starting point. And I know my fixed fee tells me my b, my starting point, my y-intercept, so I know that's 40. So now I go ahead and I go to the table. I'm going to use the equation for the table. So I have my x's right here on the top, and I'm going to replace the x with whatever number I want to figure out. So for 1, I'm going to do 20 times 1 plus 40. 20 times 1 is 20, plus 40 is 60. Same thing for the 2, but this time I put a 2 in. 2 times 20 is 40, plus 40 is 80. Replace that 2 with a 3. 20 times 3 is 60, plus 40 is 100. Now I have my last one. Go ahead and replace that 3 again, because that's my x that keeps moving. And I've got 20 times 4, which is 80, plus 40 is 120. Now, if I had 0 days, say I didn't start driving yet, let's look at 0 days. So if I had 0 for my x, let's go ahead and replace that 4 with a 0. 20 times 0 is 0, plus 40, ooh, is 40. So I know now my 0 on the x and my 40 on the y. So that's my starting point. I start my line off right there. That's how I see my y-intercept on my graph. Whatever point is on this y-intercept line is going to be my y-intercept, because it's intercepting the y-axis. So I can go ahead and graph the rest. X is 1, y is 60, x is 2, y is 80, so on and so forth, and then I can go ahead and draw my line. And there you have it. Let's quickly look back how to identify the y-intercept in each thing. In the context, it's going to be anything that says a fixed fee. In the table, it's going to be wherever the 0 is. So whatever 0 is for x, your y is then your y-intercept. On your graph, whatever hits that y-axis is your y-intercept. In your equation, whatever is in the b spot is your y-intercept. See you in the next video.